Okay, next topic is cross product or vector, right? The vector product or cross product between two vectors vector A and vector B, is an another vector C, whose magnitude is equal to the product of magnitude of each vector with small angle, with sine of small angle between A and B, that is vector A cross vector B is equal to modulus of vector A modulus of vector B sin theta cap is equal to vector C. Okay, or you can say vector A cross vector B is equal to AB sin theta. Okay, where theta is unit direction vector, perpendicular to the plane containing vector A and vector B, perpendicular to the plane containing vector A and vector B. Okay, next with me. Method to determine the direction of cross product between vector A and vector B or vector C. Okay, here we have two rules. Okay, one is right-handed screw rule, and another is right hand thumb rule. Okay, and you can say right hand curl rule. As you learn in your 10th class to determine the direction of current carrying conductor. Okay. As per the both rules, first we have the screw loop. Okay, now let's see the vector A and vector B. Let's say this is vector A and this is vector B, and they are acting at an angle of theta from left to right. Okay, then the thumb holding the screwdriver gives the direction of the vector C. That means this gives the direction of vector C as per the right-handed screw loop. Okay. Suppose you have the screwdriver in your hand. When you hold the screwdriver, then your finger is turned. Okay, and the curling of finger in the screwdriver on the screwdriver is from vector A to B. This vector A to B, from here to B. Then this thumb on the screwdriver gives the direction of the vector C. Okay, and similarly, if from the same figure, if you are holding, or suppose this is your right hand and the thumb is straight perpendicular to the finger, when we curl our finger from the rotation vector A to B, then the thumb gives the direction of vector C. The same statement, just write the statement for the right hand thumb. It states that if we curl the finger of right hand and keeping the thumb erect, in such a way that the fingers point in the direction of rotation from vector A to vector B, through the smaller angle, then thumb points in the direction of vector A cross B, or vector C. Okay, let's see. Okay, and we curl the finger in such way from B to A. Okay, then the thumb gives the direction of vector C, or this vector C is what? So answer is vector A cross vector A. Okay. Now again see some special case. Cases. First, when vector A is parallel to vector B. Okay, either is the situation that in the same direction, that is vector A and vector B. Okay, for this case we have this theta is equal to 0 degree and anti-parallel to each other, that is vector A and this is vector B. Then we get the angle between the two, theta is 180 degree. Okay, for both the case sine 0 degree or sine 180 degree, we have result 0. Okay, therefore A cross B, when the two vectors are parallel, whatever it is, in the same direction or in anti-parallel, we get the result is 0. Okay, now case 2, if vector A perpendicular to vector B, that is this is vector A or this is vector B, then we get this theta is equal to 90 degree, and you know that sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Okay, here we use this also. So we get that vector A cross vector B is AB, and you can use this cap also. Direction of this cap is the direction of it. Okay, and this is maximum. That is why when we use the vertical component, we use sin theta, because vertical component gives the value of sin theta is 1. Now write some important property of cross product. Properties of cross product. Okay, so first we have as similar to the another. From this, just see, if this gives direction of I cap, this gives direction of j cap, and this gives direction of k cap, which means vector A acting along I cap, vector B acting along j cap, and vector C acting along, what is vector C? Cross product of the two vectors. Therefore, from the same figure, when we keep our finger and stretch thumb with the screwdriver, and when we curve the finger from vector A to vector B, and in such a way from I to J, we get the direction of resultant in the direction of k cap, which means if the two vectors acting along x-axis and y-axis, the third vector is always acting in the direction of z-axis. Okay, therefore here we get I cap cross j cap equal to k cap, and then see, if we write दिस, ये, और इसको कर्ल किया, तो k और j की डायरेक्शन में हमें क्या मिलेगा, I कैप। ओके, दैट इज j क्रॉस k इज I कैप एंड k क्रॉस I is j। Okay, just we reverse the situation, j कैप डॉट I कैप, जब हम इसको रिवर्स करेंगे, the facing of finger towards your side, we find the curling of finger from B to A, the direction is also reversed and we get the resultant in the direction of downward. If we took the upward direction of k is positive, need to be taken the another direction is negative, so this we get minus k cap. Similarly, k cap cross j cap is minus I cap, and the third one is I cap cross k cap is minus j. These are the three important rules. Another, that I cap dot I cap equal to j dot j cap equal to k dot k cap used in place of dot cross. Now we get the resultant for one. For this, what we get? We get for this modulus of I sine 0 degree, and sine 0 is 0. The total value is 0. So this is equal to 0. Understood? Okay, next slide. Some laws related to cross product. First, cross product of two vectors. That is vector A and B is anti-commutative. Which means not commutative. That is, if two vectors taken as vector A cross vector B, then we observe that vector B cross vector A is not equal. Okay, for using this not equal sign, we use here anti-commutative by using a negative. Okay, सेम थिंग, इस तरफ से रोटेट किया तो डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन और ऐसे रोटेट किया तो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. सो हियर वी फाइंड दिस नेगेटिव. ओके, बाय डूइंग दिस रूल अगेन यू विल गेट दिस नेगेटिव. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखिए, द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स is distributive. That is, if we have the three vectors, vector A, vector B and vector C, therefore vector A cross vector B plus vector C is equal to vector A cross vector B plus vector A cross vector C. Okay, this law is known as distributive law. Next, the cross product of three vector is associative. Is associative. Vector A plus vector B and cross vector C plus vector D is you can write this vector A cross vector C plus D and plus vector B cross vector C plus D, and then you apply here the commutator, you will get the same. So the cross product of vector is associative. Okay, next देखिए, multiplication of two vectors. Multiplication of two vectors. Suppose you have two vectors, vector A as ax I cap, ay j cap, az k cap, and vector B as bx I cap, by j cap, bz k cap. Okay, therefore the cross multiplication of two vectors, vector A and vector B, is given by, you have to first set it the coefficient of x, y and z or I cap, j cap and k cap in a determinant. अभी तक आप इस तरह से अगर कोई वैल्यू यूज करते थे, लेट से इसमें a रख दिया, so you use this two parallels as module. ठीक है, module or modulus. Here we say when we use the values is as determinant. ये क्या है? This is determinant. Okay, but we have to place the value of the coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap for each vector in the determinant, and then you have to use the same value or same method as you learn in your calculus as cross product in linear solution. Similar. So first you have to write I cap, j cap and k cap. Then after you have to write these values. First vector A, use ax, coefficient of j, ay, coefficient of k, az. Similarly for vector B, bx, by and b. This is how the vector is taken in the determinant. Then after I cap is how it is solved. ये आपको बार बार नहीं करना, ठीक है? For understanding, I will just tell you किस तरह से होगा. When you solve for I cap, then this and this cancel. You have to put these values: ay, az and by, bz. Then take alternative sign. It is positive, so it is negative. J cap. Okay, and now this row of unit vector and column of j cap is eliminated and use the two values ax, az, bx, bz. Okay, and then positive k cap, and use this by eliminating last column and first row, ax, ay, bx, by. Okay, and just see the effect. When we calculation about x-axis, the results we get in another two axes in each. Now, so this I cap is written as multiply this and this. Ay bz minus az by, and then minus j cap ax bz, apply minus in between, and az bx, and plus k cap, multiply ax with by and then ay with bx, ax by minus ay bx. This is the product between the two. Okay, vector A cross vector B. You can use like that, or either multiply or diagonal. Write a question. Find cross product between two vectors. Vector A cross vector B. You have to find if the vector A is given by I cap 2j cap plus 3k cap, and vector B is given by 2I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap, 3k cap. Okay. For these two vectors you need to calculate cross product. कैसे करोगे? So A cross vector B equal to, put the value of each vector in the determinant, I cap, j cap and k cap. Now coefficient of each. I cap, here we have the coefficient is 1, j cap is 2 and k cap is 3. Okay, and next in vector B, coefficient of I is 2, j is minus 1 and k is 3. डायरेक्ट कर लेते हैं. This we get I cap. Okay, ये रूल इधर इसको छुपाओ और फॉलो मल्टीप्लाई, ठीक है. 2 into 3 minus 1 into 3. Okay, if you practice it too much, डायरेक्टली ये हो जाएगा, डिफिकल्टी नहीं होगी. ठीक है, फिर माइनस j, this cancel and this row cancel. So 1 multiply 3 and 3 multiply 2. 1 into 3 minus 2 multiply 3 and plus k. Then last column and first row, 1 minus 1 and 2 into 2. 1 into minus 1 minus 2 into 2. Okay, this you will get I cap 6 minus minus plus 3 minus j 3 minus 6 plus k minus 1 and minus 4. This finally is A cross B is equal to 9 I cap minus 3 plus 3 j cap and minus 5 k cap. This is the product of the two vector, and you find each have their unit vector I, j and k. That means this product has magnitude as well as direction. How we get the magnitude? So answer is, as per definition, this is a vector C. Okay? So you can calculate the magnitude of this vector C as, let's find the magnitude also, 9 square, 3 square and minus 5. This you will get 81, 9 and 25. This 90 is 150 is unit vector. Okay, and what is this? In unit, जो भी होगा. Okay, write some example of cross product. Examples of cross product. First example is torque. Okay, torque is given by cross product between force into displacement vector. This is torque. Okay, in this they will provide in the question either force, torque, you need to calculate D, or force and displacement, you have to calculate the torque. Next, angular momentum. Angular momentum. The quantity angular momentum is defined by L, and it is the cross product of angular velocity and the inertia. Okay, ये आपको सिंपल कर रहा है, रेडियस मल्टीप्लाई विद मोमेंटम. दूसरे फॉर्म में ये जाता तो एंगुलर वेलोसिटी और इनर्शिया होगी. एंड नेक्स्ट इज लीनियर वेलोसिटी. लीनियर वेलोसिटी वी हैव वेक्टर v is equal to r cross omega. Okay, these are some example of the cross. Okay, so this is all about the vector. Next we have some important application. Thank you.